In this video, we'll unpick the MiniLab MkII software.
Let's break it down.
First, go to arturia.com and create your account. Once you have registered, just log in. Next, go to My Products and register your MiniLab. You will need the serial number and a low code. This information is printed on the card that came with your MiniLab. Once you have registered, download and install the Arturia Software Center, also called ASC. When you open it and log in, a list of software will be displayed. Then just find the Analog Lab intro in the list and click to install it. UVI Model D. Click download here next to Model D in Arturia My Products. A video guide for installing UVI Portal will appear. Then just watch the video and follow the instructions. After installing UVI Portal and logging in, find Model D and install it. Now Ableton Live Lite. Return to your Arturia My Products and copy the Ableton serial number. In Arturia My Products, click download here next to Ableton Live Lite and paste the serial number. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to use it.